Are you looking for the perfect beard care kit but unsure which one to choose? Well, you're in the right video. That's what we're about to explore. Whether it's for hydrating, styling, or precisely trimming your beard, a good kit is essential for daily grooming. We've tested several models and selected the top 3 in terms of quality, practicality, and value for money. You'll find links to these products in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Here are the 3 best beard care kits, from the most affordable to the most premium. Let's get started. We start with the Isner Mild Beard Kit, your ideal partner for flawless beard maintenance. With 9 components, it offers a complete grooming range, including a beard shampoo, growth oil, hydrating balm, brush, comb, scissors, travel bag, and an ebook on beard care. The shampoo deeply cleanses, reducing itchiness and dandruff, while the oil and balm provide hydration and shine. Thanks to its natural ingredients, this kit also promotes beard growth while leaving the hair soft and silky. The included tools, like stainless steel scissors and a wooden comb, make trimming and styling effortless, even for the most unruly beards. The convenient travel bag ensures portability wherever you go. Suitable for all beard types, whether long, short, or thick, this kit is a perfect gift for any special occasion. Next, the Fulllight Tech Beard Kit offers a comprehensive and natural grooming solution for a perfect beard. The set includes a specific shampoo, 3 oils, a 40-gram balm, a boar bristle brush, a comb, stainless steel scissors, and a beard shaping guide. When used twice a week, the vitamin and oil-enriched shampoo deeply cleanses without drying out the hair, leaving it healthy and shiny. The chemical-free oils and balm hydrate, soften, and strengthen the beard, regardless of its texture. The tools ensure precise trimming, shaping, and taming. Presented as the perfect gift idea for occasions like Christmas or Father's Day, this kit caters to all beard lengths and thicknesses. An ideal choice for men who want to maintain their style effortlessly. Finally, the Viking Revolution Beard Kit combines efficiency and elegance for premium beard care. Packaged in a sleek metal box, it includes a boar bristle brush, a double-sided wooden comb, beard and mustache scissors, a fragrance-free beard oil, and a citrus-scented balm. The brush and comb effectively detangle hair, making cutting and styling with scissors easier. The oil hydrates and softens, while the balm provides natural hold and a subtle scent. Ideal for all beard types, this kit ensures complete care for a professional finish at home. Compact and practical, it's a perfect gift for yourself or a loved one. The Viking promise guarantees total satisfaction. If there's an issue, their team is ready to resolve it. A reliable choice for fans of a well-groomed beard. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.